What is going on, everybody? We are going to do a live unboxing. And I picked this up on the Sneakers app. I want to say last Saturday, the 11th, I believe. And if you don't know, these are the Air Force One Silver Snake, which has not been released since, when was it? 2001. 2001. It was a Japan only exclusive. So these were pretty easy to get, but I don't know. I might hold them. I don't know if they plan on re-releasing or jumping up in price, but I might just hold them for a little bit. They're actually pretty nice. Let's take a look at them. So they have the shoe, and you have that snakeskin swoosh, which these are pretty clean. If you're a Raiders fan, these would be must cop. You know, having these in hand though, leather feels really soft. This silver part is all 3M. So actually, let me turn this light off. Not much of a difference. But those are all 3M. So those are going to light up at night. Or from a camouflage. So, yeah, guys. Quick unboxing. These are really nice in hand. Air Force One. Silver Snake. All right, guys. That's it.